In this video, we'll explore how to use tree filters in SQL Spreads. Tree filters is a powerful feature that allows users to precisely filter and load specific data from SQL Server into Excel, even from tables containing millions of rows. When I select an item in Tree Filter, the data for that selected item will be loaded into Excel. Tree filters can be either single select, where you select one item in each filter, or multi-select, where you can select several items simultaneously. Tree filters are generated from data within the database. To determine which items to display in each filter, we use a basic SQL query that retrieves the filter items and returns a text column and a code column. The text column is what is displayed in the tree filter, and the code column is a key value kept in the background used for filtering the data. In this example, we have a product table with categories, and we would like to enable the user to work with only one product category at a time. To create the tree filter, click the Set Up Tree Filter button, and you will see a dialog displaying all your tree filters. Click New and enter a name for the tree filter. To show our list of categories, we'll write a small query and return the category name and key from the Product Subcategories table. When we click OK, we can see our products category filter items loading in the filter pane on the left side. Although they don't work just yet, as we still have to filter the table data loaded from SQL Server in the next part. Step 2. Filter the data loaded from SQL Server. We have successfully created our category filter, and in this step, we will apply this filter to the product table. To accomplish this, we navigate to the Filter tab in the Designer and create a custom SQL filter. This filter will limit the rows based on the selections made in the tree filter. We will compare the category column with the selected value in the tree filter. To accomplish this, we use a parameter in SQL Spreads that captures the selected tree filter text and code. After clicking Save, our table is now filtered accordingly. Select multiple filter items. We would also like to be able to select multiple categories in the tree filter. To do that, we open the Setup Filter dialog and check the Enable Multi-Select Filters. For multi-select filters, the SQL Spreads parameter will now contain a list of key values for selected items instead of a single key value. Therefore, we will need to make a minor modification to the custom SQL filter, replacing the equal operator with the in operator to include all keys in the list. We can now select multiple items, as well as select all or deselect all at the level above. To navigate the tree filter more easily, we would like to include an additional level in the filter as well. To achieve this, we will utilize a hierarchical tree filter. To add another level, proceed to the Setup Tree Filters and select to edit the category filter. We begin by adding the category table using the inner join, and we utilize this joined table to display the new category level. The columns for the lowest level in the tree filter are named Text and Code, while the columns for the levels above are named Group 1, Group 2, and so on. In this case, we will use the category column as the level Group 1. We can also instruct the application to expand the category group by adding another column named Group 1 Expanded that returns True. Different tree filters for different tables. Tree filter can be utilized for a single SQL Server table or for several tables in separate Excel sheets. SQL Spreads will detect the usage of the tree filter and show or hide the tree filter accordingly for each Excel sheet. In this video, we've explored how to leverage tree filters in SQL Spreads to empower end users to effortlessly select specific data from SQL Server for import into Excel. We've covered creating tree filters, using multi-select tree filters, and implementing hierarchical tree filters.